is a special day. We are going to draw something very special. I can't wait for us to get started. Also remember, as you follow along, you can always pause the video to finish drawing and press play to continue. Grab something to draw on with your favourite drawing tool. This can be a pencil, crayon or felt-tip pen, because we are about to draw something super cool. When you're ready, say this with me. I like to draw very much. Arta's magic paintbrush. Let's draw! Start drawing at the bottom of your page, like me. Draw this. Nice! Doing well. Nice! Draw a circle. And again. Before we finish our drawing, can you already guess what it is? An oc, octa, April Fools. You thought it was an octopus, didn't you? If you did, I got you. Guess what? We haven't finished yet. Now, let's turn our page upside down and continue drawing. Draw this shape. Lovely! Grab an eraser and rub out these areas. Draw this shape. Doing great! Draw some circles. Grab an eraser and rub out these areas. Draw some more circles. Wow! Draw this shape. Keep drawing. Add lines here. Create a spiral shape. Brilliant! Keep going. Excellent. Now we're going to draw a box. Good. Doing great. Lovely. Wonderful. Keep drawing. And that's it, guys. We're finished. Now it's time to colour in. Colour this area pink. Colour these areas yellow. Looking good. Now red, blue. Now gold. And to finish, colour these areas. we are going to add some shading and highlights. Can you guess what it is? We drew a Jack-in-the-Box with a funny looking face poking out his tongue. April Fools! I hope you like your drawing. Maybe you can show everybody or hang it on the wall so they can all see. They will be so proud of you. Remember, keep drawing and you will get better every day. If you haven't already liked, subscribed or shared, please don't forget to do so, and I will see you on our